Hi there, we're making breakfast this morning. We're gonna be making something super easy and quick, and mainly with all the leftover items from yesterday. I made the green enchilada casserole, and I still have some of that amazing green salsa, and also some of the cheese, some of the onion. We're just gonna add it over some eggs and put some refried beans on the side, and it's gonna be really good. So stick around, I'll show you the simple steps. Okay, so I turned on the heat on this pan. I added some oil. I'm gonna add some jalapeno to flavor the beans. I'm gonna leave a piece for my eggs also. I'm gonna dice these really good. I'm going to mix it with the leftover onion from yesterday. Mix it really well. We're gonna add this to the eggs just before we add the green salsa over the eggs once they're fried. So gotta wait on that. We can throw some tortillas in there and make some chips with the jalapeno flavor. They're gonna be even better. While that fries, we can start working on the eggs. My goodness, those are delicious. I can tell they're okay. So free range, happy egg. I guess they are happy. Wow. Even the shell is like thick. Those chickens probably are happy. Don't forget to season your chips. And also add some salt to your eggs. You gotta scramble them really good. Tortillas are ready. Some are a little toastier than usual, but I actually like them better that way. Okay, so we already took all the tortillas out of the pan. Jalapenos are still in there, and they're gonna flavor our beans. I'm gonna just dump them all in there. So I will get these all mashed and ready so I can work on the eggs right after. So this is where I can just add the leftover cheese I had. Just throw it in there. It'll just give it more flavor. And you can try it for salt or how they taste just by getting one of your chips and, you know, try it. Delicious. You don't need anything. We already have our eggs nice and mixed and scrambled. And we add salt. And since we had some of that onion left over, we added some of the jalapeno in here. And we're gonna just throw in the pan, fry it, and then we're gonna add the eggs over. I like my egg brown on the bottom. So we're gonna just let it, get nice and golden. But you do you as you like yours. If you don't like them overcooked like I do, then you can start, scrambling them or any way you like your eggs. For me, I like to just move it a little bit so the edges get, nice and toasty. Like that. Still have some of that egg, so I like to cut it so I can flip it. I like it well done. So let's try this one. Yep, that's exactly what I like. Nice and golden. I'm gonna wait a little more on these other two. Perfect. Sometimes we make these when there's nothing else to eat. There's always eggs, there's always onions, there's always tomatoes or something like that. Can be made in no time at all. So eggs are good any time of the day, really. Especially when you're in a budget, they're very reasonable. So now that we have the egg nice and fried, and we still have some of that oil, we're gonna add the salsa right over it, and that's gonna heat it up and fry it at the same time. So that's the idea, to reuse what you got. So I got my coffee ready. Got my huevo with chile verde, some of the refried beans, some of the leftover cheese, some chips. There's plenty here for a few more, so come over. Waiting for you. The salsa was so good. Spicy but delicious. I think my last meal on earth would be beans. There's no way I can change this. This is my favorite. Just regular refried beans or frijoles de la olla with cheese, and you don't need anything else. Bon appetit. So good.